Okay, here's how to easily solve the problem of not being able to drag one Photoshop image onto another. It won't let me do it. Why? Mystery. I've spent a long time wondering about this. The solution is very simple. Go up to Image, which is just off the screen here. Image, Mode. Make sure they have the same image mode. In this case, this says index color, whereas the other image is RGB color. That's why. If the image modes are different, you will not be able to drag one into another. Change that to RGB color because this one is RGB color. Now we can drag it in. Simple solution to a common problem.